Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys. I actually just filmed this look, so it will be linked in the description box below. This video is going to be something that I thought about, and I'm not sure if it's a great idea yet, but let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I'm sure you guys will let me know what you think anyways. It's going to be my favorite looks on Instagram, and I'm talking about my own profile. So I'm gonna pick what my top 10 maybe favorite looks are. I post a lot of pictures daily on Instagram, so I'm going to pick my favorite looks. And if you guys want to see what those are, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get into the video. So I've been posting on Instagram since 2015. I've had an Instagram account since like 2012 or whenever it first came out, but I started professionally posting and for a purpose and intentionally posting on Instagram since 2015. So I've been at this influencer thing since then. So it's been about 3 years, and I've posted 1,956 photos, which is crazy. I currently have 749,000 followers, not subscribers. And I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much for those of you that do follow me on there, because it doesn't go unnoticed. You guys have opened so many opportunities for me and have blessed me with things that was only a thought at one point. So I'm truly always grateful for all of my followers on Instagram, and you guys are funny as hell. So yeah, just keep it coming, keep it coming. But I'm gonna go with my favorite. I have some of them saved. I post fashion and beauty pictures on there. More so fashion, because I work with a ton of clothing companies, but I have posted a lot of makeup as well. So one of my top looks that I think, I don't know, this will kind of just always be one of my looks, one of my favorites, because I feel like the vibe I gave off in this picture. I'm gonna actually, this is the picture here, but I'm actually going to have it like pop up on the screen, so you're probably looking at it right now. This look, I don't know, just everything about it. I had the short hair then, I was straightening my hair then. The vibe that I give myself in this picture, and this was posted October 5th, 2016. Definitely gained some weight since then as well. I don't know, I love the top, I love the jeans, I love the necklace. I remember my boyfriend had just given me that necklace for my birthday that year. Just my look in this picture is just always gonna be one of my favorite looks for sure. Another one of my favorites is this one. I feel like if you've been following me on Instagram for a while, this one is kind of classic, because when I posted this specific dress, it went viral and everybody was saying that I look like Sade, and everybody thought that Sade was actually my mom for like a very long time, and it was kind of crazy to me. I had to keep telling people like no, and people would even be like, I think you're lying. Like, it was so crazy. But this one is definitely one of my favorite looks. I love that dress, and that picture was posted July 27, 2016. So that's kind of weird that my last two pictures were in 2016. One of my makeup favorites, and this is also a classic, is this one right here. So I think this was in, wow, no, this was not posted here. This was actually posted in 2015. This was one of the very first makeup pictures that I posted on Instagram. And back when I first started Instagram, I was focused more on like makeup looks, but also like concept looks. So this one just was inspired by like the Chola vibes, just kind of really like gangsta and all of that. But I think this picture is pretty cool, and my makeup wasn't great. I needed a lot of blending, but I really love it. I really love, the lips were meant to be like that, but the eyeshadow was a little bit harsh as I'm looking at it right now. But I love the facial expression. I love everything about this. This is when I had really long hair as well. My hair used to like be like almost, no, it wasn't like waist length. It was like middle of my back kind of thing. I don't know. It was like really long, and I used to always straighten it. Oh, this one. This picture is like the first actual picture I think I posted on, yeah, this was posted July 15, 2015. Like, this was actually when I started, because I remember I started in July of 2015, because I actually graduated college in May of 2015, and then from May to July I was just working on creating content and everything, so then I could like bring it out to the world. But this picture is so, I was so shy to be in front of the camera. Before then, I had like one model casting that I did, and I took a couple of pictures before this, obviously. I always love taking pictures, so it's just, I'm so grateful and blessed that I actually get to take pictures and make a living off of it now, because before I used to just do it for fun, and I still do it for fun, but now it's just, I make an income from it. So I'm very, very blessed, and I'm so incredibly grateful for that. But I love this picture. I had a simple black dress on. My hair was, this is when I was into like the, it's not a curling iron, a wand, the curl wand. Yes, this is when I got into that. So that's what I used to just do. I used to just run it, and it didn't really look neat because my ends were like straight and stuff, but I don't know, I was really into that kind of beach waves kind of look at the time. Okay, I'm gonna go with a really, really old picture, and then I'm gonna kind of bounce back to like more recently, if that makes sense. So this picture here is, if anybody would ask me what's like one of my best pictures, I'd probably say this one. I was so freaking young. I was literally like, yeah, I was 20. I'm 25 now, and it's not a long time, but it feels like such a long time, which is crazy. But I really, really love this picture because I remember it was New Year's Eve 2013 going into 2014. This picture was actually posted like a regular picture. This was before I started my influencer and intentional posting on Instagram, and this was just one of my favorite this is one of my favorite pictures of myself. I don't have my eyebrows filled in, I don't have foundation. All I have in this picture, and all I used to do, is I used to put a little bit of concealer like with my finger. I didn't even set it. I did like light bronzer, and then I did a whole bunch of mascara and eyeliner in my waterline, and then a gloss. That's all I did. That's all I used to do. And that was my favorite because I just look so like, it's such like clean and natural beauty, and I really, really love this picture. Around this time, people were saying that I look like Kim Kardashian too, so it was pretty weird. I don't think I look anything like Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian is beautiful. I just don't think I look like her. My hair, I had just dyed it. I did the whole thing black, and then that little like chunk, I did it like that blue. And this picture I actually posted January 3rd, 2014, so like 3 days after I took it. I'm gonna come a little bit more recent, just a tad bit. So this is my next favorite look. I was so proud of this eyeshadow look. So freaking proud of this eyeshadow look. I just remember feeling like the ish because I love playing with eyeshadow. I'm sure I mentioned that on my channel before, but I really, really love playing with eyeshadow, and I was just really, really proud of this look. The blends, the liner, the glitter, like everything was beautiful. I really loved this look. I mean, there's not much I can say. Picture was actually, if you can tell in my hair, it was actually like when I kind of first started my curly hair journey, and this was in April 25th, 2017, so just last year. And I feel like I look completely different from that. I mean, my hair is different. I really, really love this look. I was super proud of it, and that's why that's one of my favorite makeup looks. This picture, oh my god. This was also just last year. This was posted on May 19th, 2017. And the reason I love this picture is because my abs were on point, okay? I was really, really working hard. I've only ever gotten as far as a 4-pack, to be quite honest. I've always had like a little pudge. I just feel like everything about this picture is pretty dope. And I just really love that my abs are just poking, and my hair is nice and big. And I had just started a month before that on my curly hair journey. Yeah, I just look kind of fit, not really super fit, but like my face seemed a little more chiseled. You can see it. Look at me now, and then look at me then. I definitely put on like a good 10 pounds since then, probably even more. But that was that. I really love that picture. I love that outfit. Okay, this one right here. In this picture, I was just super proud of my hair, to be quite honest. This was posted June 13th, 2017, and it was only 2 months into my curly hair journey. I was just super proud of my hair. It was nice and big. It was curling, and it was just nice and big. And since I was young, which is so weird because I had the hair to do it, I've always dreamed of nice, big, curly hair. I was trying to get it, but I just didn't know how. So this picture will always be one of my favorites. If it's to showcase my hair, probably gonna pick this one. Yeah, it was just beautiful. I love my face here. Dang, I actually have a lot of favorite pictures. Okay, so I have to talk about this one because it was my first time ever doing box braids on myself, and I was so proud of it. I love how fierce I look. I remember every time I get my hair done, as far as like braids or something like cool like that, I love going in on my makeup because I want the whole look to come together. So that eyeshadow look is freaking beautiful. I added so much like everything to that eyeshadow look, and my skin just looks nice and clean. And I really love this picture. Those braids were freaking heavy, and it was like hell for me to sleep in them because it was my first time doing them. I kind of did them really chunky and chunkier than I wanted, to be quite honest. So they only lasted for like a week, but I was so proud of myself. This picture I posted December 4th, 2017. So just a year ago. And I really love that picture. This picture was posted this year, March 13th. And this was very monumental for me because it was the first time that I actually started working at studios. If you guys follow me on Instagram since before, I kind of started taking pictures like in the streets and stuff, and that was like my thing. Like that's just always what I did, was I started taking pictures like in the middle of the street. I love the way that looked. Like still to this day, that's like classic for me. I love how that looks. I just love that it was just so different, and it was the first time that my hair was cut and I had like the bangs, and it was the first time that I was like truly into my curly cut, my diva cut. Jessica did this cut for me, so her name is FitzEd_DivaCurl on Instagram. Well, I really love this cut. Yeah, that's definitely one of my favorites. Now, moving along, this was also this year, and this was July 2nd is when I posted this. I love this picture for a couple of reasons. One, because of the really huge windows behind me. Two, because my hair was straightened for the first time in over a year, and it gave my face and everything such a different look, and I really loved it. Three, the outfit is freaking cool. Those pants are really uncomfortable to get into because they were leather, so I had to kind of like struggle, but they're nice once you have them on. So that's what I like about this look, is that it's super edgy. It gave me like a bad girl from an action movie type of vibe, so I really like that one as well. So that was supposed to be my last look, but there's just like so many others that I really love. I'm gonna pick like two more. So I first posted this, I think May 15, 2017. I used to do swipe art. I can still do it, but I just haven't really done it yet, if that makes sense. I want to make them more impactful because I saw how impactful this one was, and I just couldn't hit you guys with anything basic. So I just really want to make my swipe art way more impactful because I did start it as my thing, so I don't want to just throw mediocre swipe looks at you. But this one is definitely like an America swipe art, and it has to do with all the different races. It doesn't represent every single race in the entire world, obviously. Like it doesn't have every shade, every skin tone on here. But this one definitely is powerful in so many ways. If you guys really take the time to actually look at the detail and everything in it, there's like stitches in there, and I'm like just patching it all together, quotations over that, and all the races just kind of molding together. And the reason why I decided to also put blood in between it is because, I mean, racism has always been a thing. It has always been a thing, and I feel like it's going to continue to be a thing. Is institutionalized, blah blah. I don't want to get too deep with this. This is why I decided to put like the blood in there, because it's like there's so many, like everybody's just really hurt and they're hurting others. So that's just what is going on in the world right now, and something that's been going on for a long time, but we get to see it a lot more because of social media. And I just wanted to make a powerful thing. This was a couple of months after the election as well. So yeah, again, that's all I'm gonna say about that. 110% proud of that, and I will always be super proud of that swipe art for sure. And this video just took a turn for like a mellow tone, so I'm gonna switch it back up and say these two are my favorite looks right now. I've posted these. This one I just posted today. No, wait, I just posted it 5 days ago. And Feroce, I don't know how to pronounce the brand name, but the quality of their clothing, girl, it's amazing. And I work with a lot of clothing companies, guys, and I don't get that excited about the quality of clothing, but this outfit made me feel so freaking fierce. I'm definitely gonna wear this out a couple of times, and I really love it. And it's so simple. It's just a big t-shirt and a belt, and I really love it. That's all I can really say about that. And of course, this one, I just posted it today. Everybody, some of these dudes got upset because it's Warriors, and people love to hate the Warriors, Lord Jesus. But I have to include this one just because of the Warriors. Warriors are my favorite team. Before the Warriors, Lakers used to be my favorite team back then when I used to watch basketball. I recently started watching basketball again a couple years ago. And then Warriors just became, like, they gave me a reason to love them. So I love seeing Curry do his thing on the court. I love Draymond getting all passionate about it. I love everything about the team. Just that their heart and their support for one another, they're like a huge family, is what I admire most of all. So Steve Kerr is the man. And I love the Warriors. So yeah, I just had to include that one. And also this last photo shoot that I did, the sleek ponytail really had me like all the pictures in that photo shoot actually came out super bomb because I was just feeling myself the entire time. Like, and I did do my hair and everything myself, by the way. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is very different, and I just wanted to share with you guys a couple of my pictures from Instagram for those of you that don't follow me. But if you do follow me, it's cool, I guess, to hear what my favorite looks are and where to recreate or to create. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see like a part 2, part 3, part 4, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!